Hey BROCHIKAS! Today I am going to dye my hair. I haven't dyed my hair in a little while and I love my brown hair. I love it. I'm not changing my whole head. I'm gonna do money pieces. I can't even breathe because I'm so excited. So the best part about this is that it's gonna be ginger money pieces and I'm so excited for this, you guys. I've just been loving redheads and I used to be a redhead. I had ginger hair once upon a time. It was like bright copper. So this is the L'Oreal High Color Highlights in the shade Sizzling Copper H7. And I'm just gonna be doing money pieces just for like a little bit of an accent, a little something. I also got the Ion Absolute Perfection Booster in step 1. And if you add this to your color, it's supposed to be like a kind of like a dupe of Olaplex where it will help you not damage your hair. And then I also got the step 2 Ion Absolute Perfection Color Sealer, and you use this after you do the color to seal it. And you're gonna obviously need a bowl and a brush and 30 volume developer. So I'm gonna mix this up and then I'm gonna start sectioning. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wear this sports bra because I don't have a shirt that I feel like ruining right now. I don't know where my other brush is, so let me use this. I'm still not completely unpacked from getting home from vacation. But on a whim, I just really wanted to do this and it's very cheap to do money pieces. It only cost me like 10 bucks to get this stuff. Went and I sold stuff at Plato's Closet so that I could buy this because I really wanted to do it. And also my hair dye videos do really well on my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Kris. I dye my hair like often-ish, kinda. I can never stay one hair color, but I do a lot of fashion content, so please subscribe and stick around if you like that kind of stuff. So basically last night I did a whole bunch of research on how to do the perfect money piece. And so what the hairdresser said was to get like this right here and part it. We're not gonna do all of this, but we're just parting it for now. So they said from like these points right here and then going up to a triangle. And then I'm also gonna do like a little bit on the side here. Doing like a very small amount of this right here, and I'm gonna clip this in. And then they said to take a very small section from the front and we're gonna do a foil. Okay, so I did 2 very thin foils up here. I just did it straight across, and then I did 1 foil over here and 1 foil over here. Should probably clip this up too. Okay, I may or may not have fucked up my hair. I'm not sure yet. I'm trying to fix it right now. I had to do a bigger chunk because I accidentally got a spot of orange by laying the foil back. So I'm processing it again and hopefully it will be okay. I had to put more, but honestly, I think the color is really pretty, so I'm not mad at it, but like, hopefully it looks okay. She woke up bright and early today. I woke up at 6:45. It is now 7:45. I'm gonna fix this hair. I don't like it, y'all. I put some TikToks where it looked okay, but it's not okay. Look at this hot root. It's not okay. It's not. Okay, so sometimes this is what happens. I have these urges, okay? I know I should just not do these urges sometimes, but sometimes I do and it is what it is. I'm known for fucking up my hair. That's just what happens. So we're gonna fix it. Before I messed up my hair, I hadn't dyed my hair in, I wanna say like 3 months because it's brown, it's close to my natural, love it. I'm loving brown hair right now. So I'm gonna stick with brown hair, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this L'Oreal Paris Féria multifaceted shimmering color. This is in the shade 45 Deep Bronzed Brown, and it looks gorgeous. It's very similar to what I have, so it's not gonna give me hot roots, hopefully. But this is what we're using today. I am just going to, I've never used this color before, but it looks really, really gorgeous. And it is box dye. I know it's controversial, but you know, sometimes a bitch has to save money. So I figured I would show y'all, because I know my hair dye videos get lots of views because everybody's interested in doing it, because we all don't have that money to be spending at the salon. This cost me like $7. And it comes with, so this is the developer, this is the conditioner you use afterwards, this is the hair color, step 1, and this is step 3. This is the shimmering shine oil that you put into the bottle, and then here you have the directions with some gloves. Okay, everything, step 1, step 2, step 3 in the bottle. Okay, I've done enough of these videos to know we got to keep it short and sweet. People don't really care about the application. They just want to see the results. So I'm going to show you a quick little minute, and then I'm just going to show you the results. But basically, I like to start at the hairline and make sure I get the whole front of the face. And then I will go and part it, do all of that, do the back. All right, color is in one box. Pretty much did a good job. I do my hair applications very messily, so if you want to really make sure, you can get 2 boxes. I just did one because it's not like I'm changing to a dramatic different color. But yeah, hopefully this turns out okay, because I need a fresh, rich brown. All right, so here is the finished result of my hair. It looks much better. I mean, it's not like perfect, but it definitely looks a lot better. I feel like I have like slightly hot roots. I don't know why, but honestly it looks blended when I'm just like, it looks fine like this. So guys, definitely go to a salon. So guys, basically go to a salon and don't be like me and mess up your hair. Or if you're gonna dye your hair box dye, make sure it's like the same exact color as your hair so that your roots don't get hot roots. And I already know this, but I always do it anyways, like whatever. So yeah, I think it looks fine like this, and I'm just gonna rock with it. I'm gonna ride with it. It's called like French roast, and it's just a brown, and I love my brown hair. So yeah, that is the moral of the story, and that is the end of this video. Trying to show you guys, but it's not very sunny right now. Thank you for watching. Sorry if this was pointless. I just maybe you can learn from my mistakes. I don't know, but thank you for watching anyway. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for other better content than this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.